Today I am reviewing the NIMO 15.6-inch FHD Light-Gaming Laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The NIMO 15.6-inch FHD Light-Gaming Laptop is an exceptional blend of performance, portability, and premium build quality, designed for professionals, gamers, and creators who demand speed, versatility, and reliability in a portable package. At the heart of this laptop is the AMD Ryzen 7 Pro 6850U processor, featuring 8 cores, 16 threads, and turbo speeds up to 4.7 GHz. This powerful CPU allows the NIMO laptop to handle everything from intensive multitasking and content creation to casual gaming and professional workloads, all without breaking a sweat. Whether you're editing videos, running virtual machines, compiling code, or simply juggling dozens of browser tabs, this laptop keeps everything running smoothly and responsively. The laptop comes equipped with 32 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, providing a level of multitasking performance that is rare even in larger desktop systems. This allows users to switch effortlessly between demanding applications without any lag or slowdown. Combined with a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, the system boots up in seconds, launches applications instantly, and provides plenty of storage for games, media, and project files. The PCIe 4.0 interface ensures that file transfers, game loading, and data-intensive tasks happen at lightning-fast speeds, making this laptop future-proof for the next several years. For gaming and visual tasks, the AMD Radeon 680M integrated GPU provides smooth, responsive graphics for light gaming at full HD resolution. While it is designed primarily as a light gaming laptop, this GPU handles casual and moderately demanding games easily, delivering clear and detailed visuals on the 15.6-inch FHD IPS anti-glare display. The screen boasts an 85% screen-to-body ratio, giving you a larger viewing area in a compact chassis, along with vibrant, accurate colors that are ideal for creative work, content consumption, and productivity. The design of the NIMO laptop reflects thoughtful engineering and user-centric features. Its metal chassis is both durable and stylish, providing a premium feel while remaining lightweight enough for travel and daily carry. The integrated fingerprint reader on the touchpad enables secure, one-touch login, keeping your data private without the hassle of entering passwords. The backlit keyboard allows comfortable typing in low-light environments, and the precision touchpad supports intuitive gestures for navigation and productivity tasks. Portability and convenience are also standout features of this laptop. The included 100W USB-C PD fast charger allows for rapid charging, delivering up to 2 hours of use with just 15 minutes of charging. This makes it ideal for students, professionals, and travelers who need a reliable laptop on the go without being tethered to a power outlet. The USB-C charger is also versatile enough to power other devices like phones or tablets, minimizing the number of cables you need to carry. Beyond performance and design, the NIMO 15.6-inch light gaming laptop is backed by 2 years of customer support and U.S. quality assurance. Partially assembled in the U.S. and rigorously tested, these laptops are built to last, and the support team is ready to assist with any questions or issues, giving buyers total peace of mind. This makes the laptop a reliable long-term investment for professionals, students, and gamers alike. Overall, the NIMO 15.6-inch FHD Light-Gaming Laptop strikes a perfect balance between desktop-grade performance, portability, and premium design. With the AMD Ryzen 7 Pro 6850U, 32 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, 1TB SSD, AMD Radeon 680M graphics, and intelligent design features like fingerprint login and a backlit keyboard, it is equally capable for work, study, and light gaming. Add in fast charging, durable construction, and excellent support, and you have a laptop that is truly versatile, future-ready, and built to handle almost anything a modern user can throw at it. Whether you're a creative professional, a student, or a gamer looking for a portable yet powerful device, the NIMO 15.6-inch light gaming laptop delivers exceptional performance and usability in a sleek, well-crafted package.